iNELS Hotel Room Retrofit Kit is a unique wireless solution for retrofitting existing hotel rooms, enhancing automation, offering higher savings, increasing comfort, and establishing remote room management. In the hotel room, offer to control lighting, temperature, access, courtesy, and curtains. Impractical paper tags are a thing of the past. The front door unit replaces the existing doorbell switch. It's remotely controlled from the reception for better orientation in the corridor. Although power is provided through a cable, communication is wireless. If the room is occupied, the red bell button lights up. Room service is notified immediately via a phone app. A notification is also sent to the reception console. Thanks to Dashboard, reception staff are able to track the time from when the cleaning was reported to when it was completed, and requests can be forwarded via the app or email. For a full fan coil control, old thermostats can be easily replaced with an RFTC. It features a large glass-paneled touch display and intuitive control. At night, the display automatically turns off and is activated by gesture, ensuring the guests are undisturbed while they sleep. You can also control makeup room and do not disturb functions from the thermostat. RFTC4 is a battery-powered thermostat that communicates wirelessly with an actuator placed near the fan coil. When a window is opened, the temperature control automatically switches off, and a notification is sent to Dashboard. The presence sensor detects when the guest is in the room, sets the temperature mode accordingly, and sends a notification to Dashboard. The temperature in the room can also be controlled from the Dashboard reception. With iNELS, you can control the switching and dimming of various lights and create light modes to handle this automatically. You can dim the LED lights with DALI driver, or you can control the lights with the standard iNELS button controllers. Wireless controllers with an integrated dimmer can be installed instead of the existing switch. And controllers with an integrated switch allow control of 2 light circuits. Buttons can also be paired with any actuators. The buttons on the controllers can be assigned to individual light scenes. You can set light scenes with different intensities or with gradual fading for when you fall asleep. You can also control window blinds or curtains. When leaving the room, the Master Off button will turn off all the lights and lower the temperature. Additionally, the Makeup Room indicator turns on and a notification appears on the dashboard. If the system detects that the room is vacant, it will switch off the lights and adjust the temperature accordingly. When the door opens, the welcome scene starts and the dashboard is notified. The sensor can alert the system if the door is left open while the room is vacant. Every room action can generate a notification on the dashboard. Communication between gateways happens via MQTT protocol, via iNELS Cloud, or server installed on premises. A front door unit with a card reader connected to dashboard allows for easy card scanning. It includes a room number, cleaning, do not disturb indicator, and bell. The entire system can be controlled via the television using the iNELS Hospitality app. There are many controller finish options. Customization symbols and icons on glass as standard. With iNELS, the choice is yours.